Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Today we getting into this CurlyMe wig, but y'all, FedEx done tore this box up, okay? All that's included in this box is the wig, of course, a wig cap and band, and you know they had to include the lashes. And the infamous juicy curls at the end, y'all see it, this is straight out of the box. So I'm not exactly sure why the front was sewn together, and there was also some loose ends. So far the wig has not unraveled on me, but I will keep y'all updated. But the inside of the cap is really well constructed, and I'm just taking the band off, and I love that they did this because usually the band is not needed, and they made it a lot easier. And this wig also comes with a drawstring, y'all, so yes, we love that. So I'm clipping this on my head, but I pre-sectioned my hair. But what I love about wigs is that you can just take it right back off and add some more leave out if you need to. So yeah, test out how much hair you actually need before braiding your hair down. Now, if you're new here, we don't do braid downs over here. I throw in some plaits, if that, and call it a day and just pin it and we good to go. See, isn't that beautiful? Anyways, now on to styling the leave out. I did end up just doing a side part instead of a middle part, so that is an option. You literally just shift it on to the left or the right. Oh, and I forgot, I'm going to show you sliding in the combs because this wig does include combs as well, and that drawstring. It really just snugs the wig, like that wig not going anywhere. So I will be separating the curls, but not too much. I literally just separate it once and keep it moving and just fluff out the hair a little bit more because I want to keep the ringlets. They are so cute. And the first thing I noticed while separating the curls, of course, is the hair is so soft. Like, it is 180 density and it's 20 inches. I feel like the fullness is literally perfect. You don't want it too thick, okay? It's too hot for all that. Y'all, the wig is gorgeous. Like, now I see what the hype is about. Burmese curly is beautiful. There were a few pieces that didn't have the ringlets on there, and that's probably what it would look like after you wash it, which the curls are still really pretty, but I will be giving y'all an updated video after the wash and how to add the ringlets back and the longevity of the hair. So stay tuned for that. So now finally we get into this leave out. I'm straightening my hair and then I'm going to go in with a waver first to give that type of wave effect towards the roots. I usually like to do that with loose curly hair, but I believe next time I would just end up curling, you know, straight from the roots, but it still ended up blending and looking really nice. Then just like in my last video, I will go in with a small curling iron and wrap my hair around it to give that spiral curl look towards the ends of my leave out. This is what really brings it all together.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love,
Y'all, this hair came out so pretty. Now I will say, after playing in it and wearing it for a little while, I did experience just a little bit of frizz and slight tangling. Do y'all see the blend like of that curl? I know y'all see that curl. That's my hair blending in like. But y'all, this wig is super affordable. It's available on Amazon. Of course, the link will be in the description box. For the price, fast shipping, and beautiful curls, I would recommend getting your hands on this wig. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.